What's up, Mark West? James Gore, your partner in progress. I wish I was there with you. I hate doing a video like this. I know you as individuals. We have forged progress, gone through disasters, devised plans, increased governance, suffered frustrations together, and triumphed. I don't have any other thing to say other than just thank you. You all have stepped up from the first moment I stepped into office. You've been partners in progress. The Chamber was really a governance structure for the entire area before we even were able to create the Citizens Advisory Council, the MAC, the Municipal Advisory Council. Now that's kicking butt. And then the Community Foundation. And now we got the park application, which is looking great. And then we have the Wickiup property, which is a conditional approval. And so we're really at a precipice of not just building back from the fires, but building back better and having the engagement and all the flow. And it's because of those three groups and all of you stepping up, not as organizations, but as individuals. And so, as always, crazy inspired to be your representative on the ground, getting the ground truth and kicking butt together. So here's to what's next. Let's get these things that we have going delivered upon. Let's continue forging forward. We've got a lot of work to do, and I'll just thank you, thank you, thank you. Installation of the officers. You have your solemn oath and promise is just lean in, be loud, care, say when you need to tap out and we need help. So such a night of celebration and such a night of thankfulness. I wish I wasn't up in Wairika on the border doing a regional meeting. I wish I was with you breaking bread and having a libation. Blessings to all.